In this video we will explain in detail the Merge Project feature in D5 Render. Merge Project is especially helpful when you're dealing with a huge or complex project. With this feature, you and your colleagues can work on different parts of the same project simultaneously, and then merge the files into one for final rendering. It's a must for speeding up teamwork. First things first, check if your project files meet the following requirements. 1. The project files must be saved intact. 2. The selected project files must be made with the same D5 version. 3. There has to be enough space available on the drive where the merged file will be saved. Before diving into the project visualization in D5, you can divide the model into different parts. Here we take a SketchUp file as an example. Modelings from other DCC software work the same way. This SketchUp model is divided into two parts: the main building and the surrounding context. Then start D5 Render. Go to Menu, Preference, Widget. There you will find the Merge Project feature. After enabling Merge Project, import the two models into D5. Align them by using the Align feature. Save the scene as a DRS file. And make a copy of it. Now the two DRS files can be adjusted separately. You and your colleagues can simply just dive in and work on your own DRS files at the same time. After completing the part of scene you're responsible for, delete the irrelevant model and save the project. When everyone's done their part, it's time to merge. Launch D5. Check Recent. Click on the upper right corner to enter the Merge Project panel. Click on the plus icon and add the first project file. Here you will see that D5 Render can merge imported models, nature models, light sources, and other D5 assets, scene lists, video clips, and render queues. Click Select All here. If there's a certain part that you don't want to merge from scene A, for example, the video clips, then just uncheck Video Clip here. Click Add Project to keep adding other projects. For now, you can merge up to 10 projects at a time with D5 Render, which is quite convenient and powerful. Move on to the final step. Choose the file path where you want to save the project and start merging. You can see that the merge speed in D5 is very fast. Now, take a look at the final file. You have everything you need perfectly merged together. In this scene, you can start post-processing as you like and rendering images or animations for output. Please note that scene lists, video clips, layers of the same name from divided projects will not be overwritten, but D5's default layers will be merged into one after Merge Project. Objects inside will still be kept, so don't worry about that. That completes our tutorial for D5's Merge Project. Thanks for watching. Hope it helps your teamwork get easier and faster.